Greetings from MYLTECHs Technologies LLP, Bengaluru. A short video about our customer-focused offerings. For all our service, low cost, high quality, and less time guaranteed. Customer-centric problem solving. By MYLTECHs Tech. We identify pain points with interviews and surveys to understand our customers deeply. Develop simpler, cheaper solutions, outperforming existing alternatives. We focus on 3 verticals: consulting, products and training. Embrace emerging technology with AI integration. Infinite items under the umbrella of technology. Automation. Reports, dashboards, data consolidation, and much more. Analytics. Full insights with predictions, prognostics, diagnostics, and much more. For consulting, AI, analytics and automation are our focus areas. Strong expertise in process automations, Python plus ChatGPT automations, data integration and management, and more. When it comes to AI-powered automation, it is not just for tasks, but beyond tasks, to handle decisions, logics, and interpretations. Why choose our company? Consulting solutions tailored to your workflow. No code to full code options. Privacy and security. Again, low cost, high quality, less time guaranteed. Hospital data analytics. In today's competitive healthcare landscape, data is not just a tool, it is your strategic advantage. We empower hospitals to overcome operational challenges, enhance patient outcomes, and boost financial performance through advanced data analytics. The focus areas are inventory analytics, revenue cycle optimization, HR workforce analytics, automation, and dashboards. Scientific approaches to retail challenges. Inventory optimization problem. Overstocking leads to waste, especially for perishables. Understocking leads to missed sales. Forecasting using machine learning, example ARIMA, LSTM, demand sensing from POS, weather, events. Optimization models, example EOQ, Monte Carlo simulations. Layout and space optimization. The problem of poor layout, reducing sales and causing crowding, can be addressed through scientific approach. This involves heat map analytics from in-store movement, optimization via simulation or linear programming, eye tracking, and behavioral economics studies, dynamic pricing and promotion optimization. Static pricing strategies fail to adapt to real-time competition, demand, and stock levels. Scientific approaches include real-time price elasticity models, A/B testing for promotions, dashboards and analytics for all domains. Manufacturing, healthcare, hospitals, retail chain, EDUtech, finance, food/hospitality, all other domains. Products for core business. Simulation for hospitals and manufacturing sector. Analytics for human resource, inventory management, stock market, etc. Media creation for EDUtech, repair and service. Thank you for watching. Please contact support at myltechs.com for details.